Huh? Huh? Wait, why is everyone blessing me? Did I just do a magic or something? Have you ever wondered why people say bless you when you sneeze? A long time ago, people thought sneezing was dangerous. Like you were getting sick. Achoo! Oh no, my soul! Someone please say something nice! Or your soul might fly out of your nose. In the year 590, there was a terrible sickness called the plague. The Pope told people to say, God bless you, when someone sneezed, to wish them good health and hope they didn't get sicker. So people started saying bless you to protect you, and now it's just polite. Achoo!